Don't download Moka Invest app before watching this. If you're considering Moka Invest to start investing your spare change, stop for a second. Most people think micro-investing apps are a completely safe and effortless way to grow wealth, but the surprising truth is there are hidden costs and limitations that can affect your returns. Moka Invest rounds up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference in ITFs, or mutual funds. It's convenient, but here's where most people get it wrong. The amounts are so small that fees, even tiny monthly subscriptions, can eat into your actual returns over time. For example, a monthly fee on an account saving only a few dollars a day can significantly reduce growth potential, especially during the early months. Another point to consider is portfolio options. Moka Invest typically offers a limited set of ITFs, or pre-made portfolios. This simplicity is great for beginners, but it doesn't allow for custom diversification, which means your investments could be more exposed to market swings than you realize. Then here's the psychological factor. Because Moka Invest invests automatically, some users might ignore market fluctuations and make impulsive withdrawals during dips. Even small losses can affect long-term compounding if not managed carefully. On the positive side, Moka does encourage consistent investing habits, and its micro-investing approach can be a gateway for beginners to learn about markets. It's also a helpful tool for people who struggle to save regularly. In conclusion, don't download Moka Invest expecting guaranteed wealth growth without understanding fees and portfolio limitations. Treat it as a learning tool and a convenience platform rather than a full-fledged investment solution. If you combine it with larger, diversified investments, Moka can be a helpful addition, but relying solely on it may slow your wealth-building journey.